Hello Lucas. So for this video lesson, we're going to go over a few exercises, and then we're going to go back into Weird Al's Gump, and then do some AC/DC, the intro of Let There Be Rock. Alright, to start off, let's get 120 BPM 16th notes, so it's going to be like... That's palm muted and open. Just keep that going for a little bit. Next thing, let's cycle through all the finger combinations. Starting, instead of the 8th fret, we're going to start at the 10th fret. So we're going to go 10, 11, 12, so pointer, middle, ring, finger. That's the first three. The next three, we're going to go 10, 11, 13. So pointer, middle, and then pinky. Next one. 10, 12, 13. So pointer, ring, pinky. Next one. 10, 12, 14. So there's going to be a fret in between your pointer and middle finger. Right here. And also your middle finger and pinky, so right there. But one more time on the G string, 10, 12, 14. That's right there. So these first two, one more time. And then these last two. Alright, next thing we're going to go through some of the chords that were in the Saga Begins from Weird Al. Right here, a G chord. Remember, starting all the way down, the thinnest string is the first string. So on the first string, we can go pinky, 3rd fret, ring finger, 3rd fret, open, open. 5th string is the 2nd fret with your pointer. And then middle finger, 6th string, 3rd fret. So just a 3rd fret, 1st string, pinky, 3rd fret, 2nd string, ring finger, open, open, and then 5th string, 2nd fret, pointer, and then middle finger, 6th string, 3rd fret. So from that one, we'll go to the D chord. If you remember, you keep your ring finger planted, middle finger goes all the way down to the 1st string, 2nd fret, pointer, 3rd string, 2nd fret. One more time with that one slowly. The next chord, right here, E minor. We're going to go open, 6th string, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, and then 1st through 3rd string is open. Next one, A minor. We're going to drop these 2nd frets down a string and then plant our pointer 1st fret on the 2nd string. So with these two, starting with the E minor, 0220000, drop that down a string, pointer goes on the 1st fret, 2nd string. And now to go from the A minor to C chord, we're just going to move right here the ring finger that's on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string from here to the 5th string, 3rd fret. You see that becomes an open, and that goes here. So from here up, here to there. Just cycle through those chords. Next thing, let me get some gain. All right, so now continuing on Weird Al's Gump, we'll go from here to here. So we're going to go back to the 9th and 11th fret power chord. And that's just going from the 9th and 11th frets to the 7th and 9th frets. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, back to the 11th, the 9th and 11th fret once. After that, you do this cool part. You go all the way down to a 0-2 power chord, 1-3 power chord, 2-4 power chord. And that part, and you hold out that 2-4 for a little bit. So from here to here, when you're holding out the 2-4, and I just added those extra 2-4s after you hold out the 2-4. So it's 0-2, 1-3, 2-4, 2-4, 2-4, 2-4, and then you go to the 5 and 7 power chord, 6-8, 7-9, so just up a fret. So adding that, the 5-7, 6-8, 7-9, that's what that one will sound like. So adding that with the 0-2 power chord. One more time with that one. All of it from the 9th and 11th fret all the way down to the 7 and 9. And there I accidentally added that 7-9 too, so there's a little pause. So these four right here, 5-7, 5-7, 6-8, 7-9, and an extra 7-9. And then there's a slight pause, and then you go 0-2, 0-2, 2-4, 0-2. So now that full thing sounds like this. Alright, and then at 1 minute and 23 seconds into the song, we mute the strings, so lightly laying our fingers on the left hand on the strings, strike the strings with the pick. So it's 1, 1, 2, and you go 7, 9. That's up to here with the rest. One more time with that one. 1, 1, 2, bam, bam. 1, 1, 2, bam, bam. And then all you do is just add that 0-2, 2-4, 0-2. And that is up to the, oh, whoops. There we go. That part's pretty difficult because of how fast it is in the song. So just get that one down and then be prepared for this. And then I'm pretty sure that we covered pretty much all the riffs for Gump. So we'll recap the entire song, including this. And I think we'll be good with that one. And then here, we're getting into some AC/DC, Let There Be Rock. So starting off, simplified. You can just use your middle finger, that's what I'd recommend, for the 3rd fret on the thickest string, right up here. And kind of mute the 5th string or A string right here by lightly laying that on the string. And then strumming all the way up right here to the 3rd string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 strings. Alright, once you get that sound, we're gonna go up to here. So you're going to go from the 3rd fret, and I would use my pointer for the 0-2 power chords right here. So from middle finger to pointer. So the 3x00, 0-2 power chord with the pointer. And this full section right here if you can see, it goes bam, bam, bam. Hold that second one out, and then you go 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, and then after that one, you repeat that again. And then this is where it gets to the difficult part right here, because you go from this 0, 2 power chord up a string to that 0, 2 power chord. So 2nd fret right here on the 4th string, open on the 5th string. So this first line, let's just go through here slowly. So 3, 2, 2, and then 2, 2, 2. Here we go again. 3, 2, 1. And now from here to here. One more time with that one. One more time. 3, 2, 1. And then the final thing is just like what we've done on the first 2 measures. So that whole thing, I'll play that one at the regular tempo and then slowly. And now slowly, 3, 2, 1. And that's lesson 17 for today. Make sure you practice those finger combinations, getting all the fingers, and also alternate picking. Down, up, down, down, up, down. And then all these chords right here. Getting gump riff. We'll also go over it next week too. And then the Let There Be Rock. That one's a fun one to get, all right? Have fun practicing that, and see you next week.